Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Rounds of severe weather disrupt early summer plans for millions in the US. A pattern that shows no signs of relaxing is producing strong to severe thunderstorms through the weekend and well into the upcoming work week, with only slight variations from day to day in the US. On Friday, many areas impacted by severe storms on Thursday saw an additional round of thunderstorms, with tornado watches that lasted into the evening. During the height of the activity, nearly 5 million residents were under tornado watches, which included the city of Lubbock, Texas, which was hit hard by the tornadoes on Thursday. Lubbock wasn't the only area that saw significant weather. A severe thunderstorm in Arkansas spun up a damaging tornado in Van Buren. Emergency managers reported at least 50 structures sustained damage in the neighborhood. A tornado-warned storm was caught on traffic camera as it swept through Fort Smith, Arkansas, as line of storms pushed east on Friday morning. An apparent tornado was spotted by police on Friday morning near Wayne, Oklahoma, as tornado-warned storm moved through Sequoia County. The storms were strong enough to rip down trees and close local roads in Luther, Oklahoma, according to the fire department. During the next several days, storms are expected to develop daily in the afternoons and evenings, with leftover energy driving some thunderstorms formation in the overnight hours. The threat is expected to gradually move east as the weekend progresses. Tropical moisture from the Gulf will enhance severe storms through the weekend, meaning that they will be able to produce lots of rain in a short amount of time. Rain rates have potential to easily exceed 1 inch per hour at times. Storms on Friday morning produced enough rain to cause flash flooding in Ada, Oklahoma. Although the storms are expected to move at a decent pace, the setup may allow some areas to experience repeated round of heavy rain. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.